The objective of this lesson is to be able to solve multiplicative comparison problems with unknown group sizes using division, hands-on manipulatives, and bar models. Students first learned how to solve multiplicative comparison problems with unknown group sizes by using Cuisenaire rods. Let's look at an example of what this looked like. The giraffe is 18 feet tall. It is 3 times as tall as the kangaroo. How tall is the kangaroo? Students knew that the giraffe was 18 feet tall. They would use this height to figure out the height of the kangaroo. Students used the Cuisenaire rods to find which 3 like-size rods would create a total of 18. We can use division to solve this problem. We know that if we divided 18 by 3, we can find the answer to our problem. In this problem, we discover that 3 of the 6 unit rods would make the total of 18. So the kangaroo is 6 feet tall. After working with Cuisenaire rods, students were moved to drawing bar models. Let's look at another problem and work it out with the bar model. Jack's mom took him and his sister to the toy store. Jack saved up all summer to buy his favorite video game. His sister bought a doll. He spent $48, which was 6 times as high as what his sister spent on her doll. How much did his sister's doll cost? Students know how much Jack spent on his video game, $48. They will use this total to figure out how much his sister used to buy her doll. To represent the total, students draw a large rectangle and place the total, 48, inside. Jack's total was 6 times as high as his sister's doll. Students will then draw 6 smaller boxes below the rectangle to represent the groups that make up the total. They can then label the unknown value with a variable. We are going to label them D to represent dollar. Students can then write a division equation that would help them solve the problem. The division equation for this problem would be 48 divided by 6 equals D. D equals 8, so his sister spent $8 on her doll. Let's look at one more example. Jerry and his friend Alan participated in a hot dog eating contest. Jerry won the contest and of course got the bigger stomachache. He ate 60 hot dogs. That just happened to be 5 times more than what Alan was able to eat. How many hot dogs did Alan eat? Students will again draw a large rectangular box and put the total hot dogs that Jerry ate, 60, inside. Students can see that Jerry ate 5 times more, so they will put 5 smaller boxes below the bigger box and label the inside with a variable. Let's use H as our variable to represent hot dogs. Looking at the bar model, students can see that their equation is 60 divided by 5 equals H. H equals 12. Alan was only able to eat 12 hot dogs, while Jerry ate 5 times as much as that. Our objective in this lesson was to solve multiplicative comparison problems with unknown group sizes using division, hands-on manipulatives, and bar models.